How far is it? How close is it? Where is the closest or nearest museum? How long does it take to get from here to the nearest cinema? Could you please explain how to get to the shopping mall? Do you know how to get to the nearest bank? Where can I find a music store? Do you know where a bus stop is? How can I get to the subway station from here? Let's practice now.
Excuse me,
Yes, can I help you?
do you know how to get to the nearest bank?
You should cross the street, take the first right turn.
Thank you for help.
You're welcome.
Pardon me, I'm lost. Can you help me?
Yes, sure.
How can I get to the museum from here?
Go straight and take a left turn and you will see the museum.
How far is it?
It's just a 10-minute walk.
Thank you.
Don't mention it.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, I can.
How can I change lines in the subway station?
You can change platform A1 to B2 and then take a train. After that, get off the train at the second stop and follow the signs.
Thank you for the information. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.